Hello, this is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central, and welcome to my channel. I'd like to take the time to thank you for spending time with me tonight, and my team and I are overwhelmed and humbled by all of your support, and for that we will continue to have laser-like focus in finding information, verifiable, up-to-date information that you can use to achieve your credit goals, your financial goals, and if you are a business person, achieve your business goals. So thank you so much, and keep coming back because we're gonna keep the hits coming. We're gonna keep them rolling, okay? Now, Miss Janet, I have to take a few minutes and tell you, you know what? If you like the information on our channel, we're happy, we're glad. And if you like the information on other channels, that's good too. But it's very important that you conduct your own due diligence. You know, you have to know that you know something's gonna work. So don't apply what we say. And even though our intentions are good and Miss Janet is always gonna come correct, you need to trust but verify. So always conduct your own due diligence before you implement a strategy given you by someone else. All right? So let's get started with the video. All right. This is for apartment hunters. How property managers check credit. Now, do they run a hard pull or do they do a soft pull? All right, this information is coming to you from the experts, Apartment Finder, and I am going to put their link in my description below so you can further peruse this post in their website, okay? Now, so you're starting to apply for apartments, and the application process includes you undergoing a credit check, and this is where the property managers and landlords pull your background information, check the eviction registry to make sure that you're reliable and you have a history of making your payments on time. All right. So now your credit score and financial history can impact your approval for that apartment. So during the credit check, a credit inquiry is pulled and can potentially lower your score. Now, the one that lowers your score is a hard inquiry. The one that has no impact to your score is a soft inquiry. But you don't know which one they're going to run. So you want to, if you have a place in mind, you want to contact the landlord or the property manager and ask them, do they run a hard pull credit pull or soft credit pull, and what credit reporting agency do they pull from? This is important because you need a strategy in applying for any type of credit. All right. So now, say for instance, you are applying for multiple apartments because you want to increase your chance of getting an apartment. You might apply for 2 or 3. Well, you want to do that within a specific time frame. Now, Apartment Finder says you'll be happy to know that your credit score won't be hit with numerous hard inquiries when you authorize property managers to do a credit check. Instead, your FICO score will only be hit with a single inquiry as long as each is within a certain period, generally 45 days. So if you step outside that grace period between applications, you can see your credit score drop like a rock. It's going to be cluttered with hard inquiries. And that's what we're talking about right now. If they run hard inquiries, of course, soft inquiries has no impact. All right. So you want to make sure you apply for apartments within the given window to maintain your credit score. All right. Now, how do you check your score? If you haven't checked your score or you don't know how to, well, there's a annualcreditreport.com. Annualcreditreport.com is free. You can get a report from them. Now, it does not have your credit score, but it has your history. It has your payment history. It shows what your bills, how long you had them, how responsible you are. So with your credit, so on and so forth. Now, if you want your score, you may have to pay a credit monitoring service to to obtain that. And you want to be careful about that too. You kind of want to stick with like MyFICO, and I'm not associated with MyFICO. I'm just saying. You might want to stick with a company like that so that you can get accurate information, okay? Accurate scores, all right? Credit Karma and all those are free. They're good for monitoring, but their scores are not accurate. Okay, so you're armed now. You know what your credit looks like. You know what the score is. You know what credit reporting agency they're pulling because you asked them. You know what credit bureaus they pull from. So you're armed and you're ready. So use a strategy in applying for your apartment. I'm going to put this link in the description below, like I said, and you check this out. Go to the expert to find out about finding an apartment. Hey, this is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central. If you like this type of information, press the like button, leave me a comment, and keep coming back, all right? Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so thus far. And I'll see you in another video. Grace and peace, Miss Janet out.